Hello, hello all friends. Very happy. Good morning. Today I am going to discuss external application in homeopathy pharmacy. Hahnemann proclaimed that external produces symptom is nothing but the outward reflection of the internal derangement of spiritual, vital, dynamic, vital force, which, when disturbed, expresses itself on the surface as sign and symptom. External applications are not in the strict principle of homeopathy. Treatment of disease by internal medicine is the specialty of homeopathy. Diseases manifest by sign and symptoms, which are the sole guide of our homeopathic method of treatment. No disease is external or local. The immaterial spirit-like vital force throws out the internal malady on external surface. The nature of external symptom affecting the nature of internal sickness. By removal of external affections by external application, the disease is never cured. On the other hand, they may attack some vital organ of our body, and as a result, we lost the image of the disease. But for accidental cases, injuries, laceration, burns, etc., we need some local cleaning and dressing of the part. Hahnemann, our master, gave some argument against external application in his Organon of Medicine. In 5th edition of Organon of Medicine, in section 196 to section 2003. But later on, he saw the necessity of external application while advocating the administration of medicine per mouth. He felt that oral route is not the only route for administration of medicine. So, in 6th edition of Organon of Medicine, in section 284 and section 285, about the use of external application, he said that curative remedy should be continued internally while the same remedy is used externally as an ointment, liniment, lotion, syringe, etc. In 5th edition of Organon of Medicine, we see Hahnemann's argument was against the external application, that is, the disadvantages of external application from section 196 to section 203 in 5th edition of Organon of Medicine. The vehicle that are used for preparation of external application, there is liquid vehicles used for external application. In case of external application, liquid vehicles may be purified water and glycerin, olive oil, almond oil, rosemary oil, sesame oil, teal oil, etc. These are used in liquid vehicle. And semi-solid vehicles, for example, in case of semi-solid vehicle, there is Vaseline, and Vaseline may be soft Vaseline and paraffin, yellow soft paraffin, white soft paraffin. In case of wax, there is bee wax, yellow wax, and white bee wax, and there is spermaceti, lanolin, prepared lard, isinglass, soap, soft soap, hard soap, curd soap, and starch. These are the semi-solid vehicles which are used as external application. Then there is another external applications that is glycerol, ointment, liniment, opodeldox, lotions, syringes, politics, fomentations, plaster, oils, And in case of oil, there is another oils, that is oil buchi oil, or olive oil, mullein oil, and rosemary oil. And you have also heard arnica hair oil, oil of wintergreen. And these are the things which is used as a external application. And for external application, there are injections also. Injections may be used for rectal injection, urethral injection, and vaginal injection. And there is another one thing is which is used for external, that is surgical dressing. Okay, now one by one we will learn in case of glycerol. And what is the glycerol? Glycerol, these are the mixture of solution of mother tincture and glycerin. Most of them are much viscous with jelly-like consistencies. And what are the uses of the glycerol? It is used for as a antifungal, antibacterial, antipruritic, and is used mostly in case of gingivitis and stomatitis. Ointments or therapeutic creams, there is another things, therapeutic creams, that is known as also in the name of ointment. So what is ointment? These are the semi-solid preparations. They should have the required consistency so that they may be readily applied on the skin by rubbing. They should be soft and do not require melting on application. They are also called therapeutic creams. This is ointment. And ointments are used in case of using for the bleeding, for non-bleeding piles, in all fissures, ulcers, itching, and bleeding from the rectum. In case of bruises, contusion, blow, bed sore, boils, chilblains, cones, in these cases ointments are used as a dressing for torn and jagged wounds, as a dressing for indolent ulcer, fistula, lepra, psoriasis, and carbuncles, cracked heels. Very much useful in burn cases. Also, ointments are used. And another one, another one external things is that is liniment or embrocations. Liniments, for in case of liniments are, these are mixture of solutions of different medicines, mainly mother tincture in oil, alcohol solution of soap or emulsions, and are suitable for rubbing or painting over the skin. They also serve as protective coating. Camphor enters into their composition for its local stimulant action and also to lessen the risk of this being taken internally, as it has characteristic strong smell. And what are the uses of the liniment? Liniments are used in case of painted over the painful part of the body resulting from falling, blow, etc. And to reduce the rheumatic pain, to loosen the phlegm accumulated after catching cold. Now another one external application is that is opodeldoc. What are the opodeldocs? These are semi-solid liniments prepared with the following ingredients. And ingredients are white soap, purified water, strong alcohol, mother tinctures. It is prepared by the certain parts. And what are the uses of the opodeldocs? Uses for sprain, bruises, rheumatic pain, etc. Okay, another now we are going to discuss another one is external application, that is lotion. So what is the lotion? These are liquid suspensions or dispersions in aqueous media used as external application over the affected part of the body. What are the use of the lotions? Lotions are used in case of bruise pain without bloodshed arising from falling, injuries, blows, etc. And another is serrates. What is serrates? These are the unctuous oily substances due to the presence of wax. It gets easily sprayed over the surface of ordinary temperature but maintain the solidified state and does not run away as a liquid. Usage of the serrate: used as a poultice on the burns, scalds, boils, carbuncles, etc. Another one external application, that is poultice or cataplasms. What are the poultices and cataplasms? They are soft, semi-solid external applications. They must contain any medicament. They act firmly on a principle so that they either stimulate the body surface or relieve an inflamed area by supplying medicated substances in the presence of heat and moisture. It helps in drying infective medical forms the affected area due to its hygroscopic and absorptive characters of its ingredients rules, that is glycerin, starch, etc. They mitigate pain by relaxing tension and prompting perspiration. What are the uses of the politics? Politics are chiefly used in the following complaints: pneumonia, pleurisy, bronchitis, pericarditis, peritonitis, acute rheumatism, lumbago, and in mature and facilitate the discharge of matters in absence of boils. It is used. These are the uses of the this and fermentations. Now another one is fermenta and or fermentations. Fermentations are one of the method of external applications. They do not contain any medicament. They act firmly on thermal principle. They are hot and cold fermentation. What are the uses of fermentation? Hot fermentations are useful in relieving pain, arresting inflammation, and checking the formation of matter are often valuable adjacent to the politics. Acne indurata and similar inflammatory principles can often be increased or reduced in size by them. Conjoined by politics, they expedite the passage of matter to the surface and favors its subsequent explanation. And very much know the plaster. Plaster is used as external application, and another one is oil. There are several oils. I have already told earlier. There is mullein oil. Another one is mullein oil. Uses mullein oil is extremely beneficial remedy for earache, discharge from the ear, eczema of external ear and its canal, suppurative inflammation of the middle ear. It is a bactericidal recommended in dry, scaly conditions of meatus, otalgia, sense of obstruction, deafness. It softens the facilitates the removal of the hard secretions, relieves pain quickly. And then another one is oil of wintergreen. Wintergreen is used in gout, rheumatism, pruritus, sciatica, and epididymitis. And there is another external that is called injection. Injections is used in case of external, in case of intramuscular injection, IV injections, or urethral injection. These are the external applications. And surgical dressing is also required. In case of surgical dressing, you know, absorbent cotton, non-absorbent cotton, and bleached cotton, and say sanitary napkin, and absorbent lint. These are the things which are used in external applications. But we know that Hahnemann, our master, has accepted in the 6th edition of Organon of Medicine, and up to the 5th edition of Organon of Medicine he was criticizing, but lastly he has accepted that the external application is very much useful. And thanks to all for listening this. Okay, thank you all.